Hi guys, Steve Popelka with Steve's Fab Shop again. What I wanted to do, we're going to do a video here. I've been putting out about a video a week. I've been having a lot of fun doing this. I just did about 114 base plates for a customer, and we're cutting 3/8 steel. Had I gotten this order a few weeks ago before I got my ironworker in, I would have just used a basic Ellis Band Saw and cut them up. Now, of course, I use my ironworker to do the same task. What I want to do with this video is just show guys, when they buy an ironworker, how much money they're going to save in labor. Had I put in a regular shop worker on this project, you know, at $50 an hour for your average cost for shop labor, it would have been much more expensive to use bandsaw the way we would have done it in the past compared to how we're using the ironworker now to shear instead of cut. So we'll go over to the bandsaw. I'll set it up. We'll start having it cut a 3/8 inch piece of steel. And then we'll come over to the ironworker and we'll shear a couple pieces, hit the foot pedal a bunch of times, and I think you guys are going to see that it's not even a fair comparison. This thing outworks that Ellis Band Saw 101. So let's take a quick look. So I kind of preset this up a little bit. I got a piece of steel in here. I get vise down. For the safety Nazis at home, I realize I should have safety glasses on. Don't tell any of my employees. Now, by the time this cuts through, you can pretty much watch half a TV sitcom. So let's go take a look at the ironworker and shear a piece. For those at home, that is not beer, that is Mountain Dew. Exact same piece of steel. Bit. Once you run the camera around back, show these people at home exactly what we have going on. There's the cut. Now let's go look at the shear. There's the shear. Using the ironworker is going to save me a lot of money, and it is definitely going to make us push out more product at a quality rate faster. I'm very happy. We'll catch you in the next video. Take care.